Hello, this is Mike at Spyder Rider Extras. Today I'm looking at a new product I ordered from Hopnel. It's a mini tank bra or a tank protector. It's made for the K&N Spyder Roadster, including the model the F3, the F3S, Touring, and the Limited. I was looking for something to protect my gas tank. I don't want to scratch it with my jacket, my belts, or any buttons on any of my shirts. So I did find this product online for about $25. It's made out of marine grade vinyl and soft tech material on the interior to prevent any scratching once it's applied. I am going to put it on next week, and I'll post the installation to my channel next week. So I will see you guys then. Have a good night.